You know what's interesting? Men who drink plain tea have better erectile function than those who don't drink tea at all. But men who add specific ingredients to their tea, they're reporting improvements that rival expensive supplements. Let me show you exactly what they're adding. The research on this is actually fascinating. A study from China following 40,000 men found that regular tea drinkers had significantly lower rates of erectile dysfunction. But when researchers looked at men who added certain herbs and compounds to their tea, the benefits increased dramatically. We're not talking about exotic ingredients or expensive supplements. These are simple additions that have been used for centuries, now backed by modern science. Today I'm going to show you exactly what to add to your tea, why it works, and how to use it properly for maximum benefit. We're talking about real ingredients with real science behind them, not internet myths or wishful thinking. Before we dive into what to add, let's talk about why tea itself is already beneficial for male sexual health. Tea, especially green and black tea, contains compounds called catechins that improve blood vessel flexibility. Better vessel flexibility means better blood flow, and that's essentially what erectile function comes down to: blood flow. But here's what makes tea special as a delivery system. When you drink hot tea, your blood vessels naturally dilate slightly from the warmth. This means whatever beneficial compounds you've added get absorbed and distributed more efficiently. Plus, the ritual of drinking tea promotes relaxation, which reduces stress hormones that interfere with sexual function. The warmth also helps certain compounds dissolve and become more bioavailable. Think of it like this. You're creating a warm internal environment that's primed for absorption while simultaneously promoting the relaxation response that's essential for healthy sexual function. Let's start with a combination that's been used for centuries: raw honey and Ceylon cinnamon. This isn't just about making your tea taste better, though it certainly does that. This combination has specific benefits for erectile function that modern science is now validating. Raw honey contains boron, a trace mineral that helps free up testosterone. Most men have plenty of testosterone, but much of it is bound to proteins and unavailable for use. Boron helps release this bound testosterone, making it active and available. Studies show that just 10 milligrams of boron daily can increase free testosterone by nearly 30% within a week. Ceylon cinnamon, not the regular cassia cinnamon from the grocery store, improves insulin sensitivity and blood flow. Better insulin sensitivity means less inflammation and better vascular health. One study found that men who consumed cinnamon daily had blood pressure improvements equivalent to some medications. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and a quarter teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your tea. The best time is morning or early afternoon. The slight energy boost from honey combined with cinnamon's circulation benefits sets you up for better function throughout the day. Make sure you're using real Ceylon cinnamon, as regular cinnamon contains coumarin, which can be harmful in large amounts. The second addition is ginger root. Fresh ginger is one of the most powerful circulation boosters you can add to tea. It contains compounds called gingerols that dilate blood vessels and reduce inflammation. But for men's health, ginger does something even more important. It's been shown to increase testosterone levels. A study from Jordan found that men who consumed ginger daily for 3 months had testosterone increases averaging 17.7%. That's significant for something as simple as adding ginger to your tea. The researchers believe ginger works by reducing oxidative stress in the testicles and improving luteinizing hormone production. Use fresh ginger for best results. Peel and slice about a thumb-sized piece and let it steep in your hot tea for at least 5 minutes. You can also grate it for stronger flavor and more compound extraction. Some men find the warming sensation from ginger extends throughout their body, improving overall circulation. The best part about ginger is its immediate effects. While the testosterone benefits take time, the circulation improvement happens within about 30 minutes. Many men report feeling warmer extremities and, yes, better responsiveness shortly after drinking ginger tea. Next up is maca powder. Maca root powder might sound exotic, but it's becoming increasingly available, and for good reason. This Peruvian root has been used for thousands of years, specifically for enhancing male vitality and sexual function. What makes maca special is that it doesn't directly alter hormone levels. Instead, it helps your body use hormones more efficiently and reduces the stress response that interferes with sexual function. Studies show that men taking maca regularly report improved libido and erectile function within 8 weeks. Add 1 teaspoon of maca powder to your tea. It has a slightly nutty butterscotch flavor that actually complements most teas well. Start with half a teaspoon if you've never tried it, as some people need to adjust to the taste. Yellow maca is mildest and best for beginners, while black maca is considered most beneficial for male sexual function. Maca works best when taken consistently. It's not like taking a pill before intimacy, it's about gradually improving your body's overall function. Most men notice increased energy first, then improved libido and function follows. This might surprise you, but adding a tablespoon of pure pomegranate juice concentrate to your tea creates a powerful erectile function booster. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants that specifically protect nitric oxide from breakdown. Nitric oxide is the molecule that signals your blood vessels to dilate. More nitric oxide means better erections, period. A study from UCLA found that men drinking pomegranate juice daily for 4 weeks had significant improvements in erectile function scores. Use pure pomegranate juice concentrate, not the sugary juice drinks. Add 1 tablespoon to your tea. It gives a pleasant tart flavor that works especially well with green tea. The antioxidants in pomegranate also protect your blood vessels from damage, providing long-term benefits beyond just immediate function. Some men combine pomegranate with hibiscus tea for a double circulation boost. Hibiscus itself has been shown to improve blood pressure and vascular health, making this combination particularly powerful. The 5th addition is Tribulus terrestris. Tribulus is an herb that's been used in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine for male vitality. While marketed as a testosterone booster, its real benefit seems to be improving erectile function through enhanced nitric oxide production. Studies on Tribulus show mixed results for testosterone, but consistent improvements in sexual function and satisfaction. It seems to work by improving the sensitivity of erectile tissue to arousal signals rather than just boosting hormones. Add half a teaspoon of Tribulus powder to your tea or use pre-made Tribulus tea bags. The taste is slightly bitter, so combining it with honey helps. Take it in the morning or early afternoon, as some men find it mildly energizing. Last but not least is L-arginine powder. L-arginine is an amino acid that your body converts directly to nitric oxide. While you can take it as a supplement, adding it to tea provides better absorption and fewer digestive issues that some men experience with arginine pills. Your body uses arginine to produce nitric oxide on demand. Having adequate arginine available means better response when you need it. Studies show that 5 grams of arginine daily can improve erectile function comparable to some medications, but without side effects. Add 1 teaspoon, about 2.5 grams, of L-arginine powder to your tea twice daily. It's virtually tasteless, making it easy to add to any tea. Morning and evening doses work well, providing consistent nitric oxide support throughout the day. You don't need to add all of these to every cup of tea. In fact, that would be overwhelming and potentially counterproductive. Here's how to create an effective protocol. Start with 1 addition for a week. I recommend beginning with ginger and honey since they taste great and provide immediate benefits. Notice how you feel, energy, warmth, any changes in function. Week 2, try maca or pomegranate. These work through different mechanisms, so you're addressing multiple aspects of sexual health. Some men find certain additions work better for them than others. By week 3, you can combine 2 or 3 additions that you've found beneficial. A popular combination is ginger, honey, and maca in morning tea, then pomegranate in afternoon tea. While you can add these ingredients to any tea, some work better than others. Green tea is ideal because it already contains circulation-boosting catechins and moderate caffeine for energy without jitters. It also has L-theanine, which promotes relaxation without sedation. Rooibos tea is caffeine-free and naturally sweet, making it perfect for evening consumption with honey and cinnamon. It's also rich in antioxidants that support vascular health. Ginger tea as a base amplifies the benefits when you add fresh ginger. Starting with ginger tea and adding other ingredients creates a powerful circulation-boosting blend. Let's be honest about what tea additions can and can't do. This isn't going to give you the instant effects of prescription medications. Instead, you're supporting your body's natural function over time. Most men notice improved energy and warmth within days. Circulation benefits typically become noticeable within 1 to 2 weeks. Improvements in erectile function usually take 3 to 4 weeks of consistent use, with continued improvement over 2 to 3 months. The advantage over medications is that you're actually improving your health rather than just forcing a temporary response. Better circulation, balanced hormones, and reduced inflammation benefit your entire body, not just sexual function. Here's a simple daily protocol that many men find effective. Morning. Green tea with fresh ginger, raw honey, and maca powder. This provides energy, circulation support, and hormone optimization to start your day. Afternoon, black or green tea with pomegranate concentrate and cinnamon. This maintains circulation benefits and provides antioxidant protection. Evening, optional, rooibos tea with honey and cinnamon for relaxation and overnight hormone support. Consistency is key. Drinking enhanced tea once won't do much, but daily consumption over weeks and months can create real improvements in how you feel and function. Adding the right ingredients to your tea is a simple, affordable way to support erectile function and overall male health. You're not just addressing symptoms, you're improving the underlying circulation, hormone balance, and inflammation that affect function. Start tomorrow with just ginger and honey in your morning tea. Give it 2 weeks of consistent use before judging results. Most men are surprised that something so simple and pleasant can make a noticeable difference. Remember, this is about gradual improvement and long-term health, not quick fixes. But for the price of tea and a few natural ingredients, you could see improvements that significantly impact your quality of life. Your morning cup of tea might just become your most important health ritual.